Now that you have a whole new set of email subscribers, they're going to be flocking to your e-commerce store and putting your top-rated products in their shopping carts. But there's a problem that all e-commerce stores face, no matter how good your welcome series is: the dreaded abandoned cart. It's estimated that nearly 70% of all online shopping carts are abandoned. And while there's some tactical things you can do to help lower the initial abandonment, like making the checkout process easier, one fact remains: people will abandon their carts. Knowing cart abandonment will always be a challenge for e-commerce stores, recovering as many lost sales as possible is instrumental for growth. Email marketing plays a pivotal role here, and better yet, it's less expensive than other paid retargeting channels, meaning you'll maintain higher profits with each recaptured order. Abandoned cart emails convert 483% better than scheduled promotional emails and have a nearly 40% conversion rate, meaning 4 out of 10 shoppers who click on an abandoned cart email go on to complete their purchase. If you don't already have cart abandonment emails sending, you need to start. If you do already have them, you should look to make them more effective. Whether you do or don't already have them sending, let's walk through how to make them as effective as possible. Now, remember in the last section I asked you what the intent of the new email subscriber was? When it comes to cart abandonment, I want you to ask yourself, what is the intent of the person putting items in their cart? The first step to winning back cart abandoners is to focus on this intent. At this stage in the journey, the customer knows what they want, but something is preventing them from making the purchase. It could be price. Maybe they're doing some price comparison on another site. They want to see if you offer them a discount after they abandon. We're all guilty of this at some point. The cost or speed of shipping. They're unsure about your return policies. Maybe it's a lack of trust. After all, maybe they've never done business with you before. Saving the item for purchase later, sort of like a wish list. No matter the reason, your job as a marketer is to overcome any possible objection they may have and lead them to a purchase. Here's how to do just that.